Hi, my name is Zeus and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Husby.com. In this video, Husby University presents Improving Your Curb Appeal. Alright, you've decided to sell your house on Husby.com. Congratulations on making the decision. You're driving back home from soccer practice and you notice that your home could use a little bit extra curb appeal. It's looking a little, let's say, tired. Your home's exterior is like the cover of a book, setting the stage for what's inside. Adding curb appeal is often an easy and inexpensive way to make your house look nicer and boost its value and appeal. Here are some effective ways to make a better first impression with potential buyers. After all, you can only make a first impression once. Go green. Add some plants, some trees, and seed any dead areas in your lawn. This will make your house feel a lot more inviting and warm. Make your door pop. Your front door says a lot about the house. An inexpensive way to make a better first impression is to paint your front door. Don't be afraid to consider a new color, but don't go overboard with it either. Buyers are becoming more and more open to bold colors which make a statement. Feel free to check out online for inspirations before you head to the paint store. Lighting. Some extra lighting can go a long way. Add light fixtures to dark areas of the exterior and driveway. Consider some motion sensor floodlights for security. Add some inexpensive solar-powered accent lights if you have a long driveway. This will not only make the house look a lot more cared for, but also help aid when you're in the dark. Proper lighting will give the house a sense of space, security, and warmth. Mailbox. The mailbox is one of the first things buyers will notice when they drive up to your house. A new mailbox may set you back $75 or so, but it will certainly help potential buyers feel like the house is taken care of. Not to mention, it'll probably make the mailman a lot happier. Clean gutters. Cleaning out your gutters both inside and out will make the house look and feel a lot more fresher. You'll be surprised at just what a little bit of elbow grease and a power washer can do to the gutters and its overall appearance of the house. A clogged gutter can cause water leaks, which often leaves stains on the exterior. Cleaning and maintaining it can help prevent this. House numbers. Changing your house number will set you back about $50, but give your house that modern touch most buyers are seeking. It's an inexpensive yet effective way to boost the property's curb appeal. The devil is in the details. Buyers will be looking at every last detail of your home, and rightfully so. This could potentially be their sanctuary, so don't neglect the details. Be sure to repair any cracks in the driveway before you power wash. Power washing the siding and windows could really make a big improvement to the overall curb appeal. Make sure all windows are clean and change out any old rusty, worn hardware such as doorknobs and handles. Give the window screens a nice wash or replace them altogether if they're damaged or torn. The devil is in the details, so take that extra trip to the home improvement store and put the finishing touches before going on the market.